Okay, so we're at the Camel's Garden Hotel, and I'm just going to take you on a quick tour of the lobby. That was the lobby, and then I'm in room 108. And it's a suite. I've already got some of my stuff here. But it's a lower level suite. It's first floor, and there's the door. Nice bathroom, all tile. Anyway, it's suite 108, and it looks like it's a king suite. There's a fireplace. And the great thing about this room, I'll just pan around. It's a pretty large room. But what the great thing about this room is this. There it is, right at the chairlift. Right now it's about 3:30 p.m. so this one is stopped for the day. But as you can see, we're right at this chairlift, and I don't know what it is. It's my first time here, but there's the entrance to the gondola, and it's right at the chairlift, right at the mount. And there's the window and the door. And there's, I think, Telluride Village. Mountain Village, I think it's up further, but we're at the base. And there's Telluride Village. It's right out. And right here is where the ski valley is, right on the right over there. And I just pick up my skis there, and you get heated garage below. So there it is. So this is room 108. Incredible. There you go, Camel's Garden Hotel, room 108.